Guys, I'm back and I'm here with a new video. Today is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to be reviewing a product from Carbon Coco. I'm sure you guys have heard of this company before here on YouTube, especially and on Instagram. I see everybody brushing their teeth with that charcoal. Their teeth look black and hilarious. So if you guys want to know more or see more on this product, just continue to watch.
Oh girl, so fierce.
So before I start, I know you guys are going to be like, girl, your teeth are already pretty white. Yes, I do maintain the whiteness of my teeth pretty well since I was a child, just because I used to have braces when I was younger. So, you know, teeth were a big deal and still are a very big deal in my life. I like to keep them very clean and I like to keep them very white, or as white as possible. I do drink coffee pretty often. If you are not brushing often, and if you are like smoking or doing other things, those things can definitely make your teeth yellow. So I was pretty interested when they reached out to me to send me their product. I said, sure, go ahead and send it to me. I'd love to try a teeth whitening product, like any whiter. I mean, I love my teeth. So right now I know they kind of look a little bit white on camera. I'm gonna go ahead and take a before picture for you guys and then compare how it looked afterwards before we get started. So I'll definitely do that just to show you guys if there was any type of difference. But first I do want to get into a little bit of the product and what they sent me. They sent me a toothbrush with the black bristles on it, so that's good if you're not trying to mess up yours. The charcoal is black and it's definitely going to stain your white bristle toothbrush. You don't want your toothbrush looking all funky or anything like that, so I'm happy about that. They sent along the Carbon Coco, this is their spearmint activated charcoal toothpaste, the original one. So this is, it says first step,
brush your teeth with activated charcoal toothpaste. Lightly rinse and expel charcoal from the mouth. So spit. Brush with activated charcoal toothpaste. Do not swallow or spit out. Rinse after use. Brush at least twice a day or directed by dentist. For best results, use activated charcoal toothpaste. Polish recommended for ages 12 and up. So
this is definitely not for like little kids toothpaste or anything like that. They also sent the actual Carbon Coco product, which is the charcoal. When you open it up, it's supposed to be like this powdery kind of like, you can see that it's actually kind of, it's like a really finely milled not like a setting powder, like I know it's because I makeup, like I want to call it like a setting powder, but it's like a really finely milled baking soda. I really do like that they sent along this little case so you can put everything back in there and keep, you know, tabs on it without having everything all scattered all over the place. It makes nice for traveling as well, just throwing this in your travel bag or backpack or whatever you want to do with it. Just put everything back in there. That's nice. They also sent this little brochure. It is a Carbon Coco. It's the instructions for the activated charcoal. It says wet the toothbrush, then dip in the jar. Brush your teeth for 3 minutes, spit it out, rinse, brush with the activated charcoal toothpaste for another 3 minutes. So this stuff is already making a freaking mess. Like I got it on my face, I have it on my wrist. The little brochure that they sent, it's just like some information about how to use the product and some information about Carbon Coco. It says here at Carbon Coco, our products are 100% safe to use, a natural and healthy way to whiten your teeth. Thank you for your purchase. Happy smiling. Please share your results on Instagram at Carbon Coco. Again, I'm going to list everything that you'll need to know about Carbon Coco, their website, their social medias, and all that good stuff down below in the description box. It says for best results, use for 7 to 14 days. So all these products, I did look online and check them out a little bit. Their products are not animal tested. They are all natural. Back in the day, people used to use charcoal to whiten their teeth. It's used for health reasons sometimes back in the day. I really don't know too much about that and wouldn't ever probably get into using that for those reasons. So I didn't go into much research on that. But I did find out a little bit about why they would use charcoal to clean your teeth. So now that I went ahead and I shared everything with you guys as far as the packaging and all that good stuff, I'm just gonna go ahead and demonstrate this for you. So I just have a little bottle of water. I'm gonna go ahead and wet my toothbrush. I have a little bowl right here, so something I don't use. I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of do this. I have a white shirt on. I don't know if that was a good idea. So I'm just gonna go ahead and dip this in the charcoal, and it did pick up quite a bit of charcoal. And let's just get started, I guess.
Trying to keep it peaceful is a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6
Well,
a.m.
it's just to do it for 3 minutes. My phone says 2:22. 2:22. So I'll stop at 2:25.
Cut on me. You know how I like it when you loving on me.
Now it's really grainy. I don't know if you guys can hear that. Hold on. I hope you guys can hear that. It sounds like I'm literally chewing on like sand.
I hold back sometimes I won't, yeah. I feel good sometimes I don't, yeah. I finesse on with the road, yeah, finesse. Might go down to G.O.D, yeah, wait. I go hard on Sasa G, yeah, wait. I make sure that nobody
25. I'm gonna go ahead and spit this shit out. Fuck, it's getting all over my makeup. But I definitely recommend doing this, like, for sure, like in the morning when you're gonna like wake up, go to bed or whatever, not when you have makeup on. Now my tongue is still hella dark. I do feel like I still have some of it in my teeth, but my teeth do feel cleaner. Like, I brushed my teeth with toothpaste before I got on camera, so I did clean my teeth before this, but like they feel extra clean. Like, if you ever had braces before and you got them removed, remember that slippery feeling I used to get like that when I got my braces off, because they were just so slippery, because I don't know, because I had those brackets on, and that's exactly how it feels. It feels really slippery, like it really cleaned my teeth. So now that I've brushed with the charcoal, I'm gonna go ahead and use the toothpaste. This is a Spearmint Carbon Coco Activated Charcoal Toothpaste. So I'm gonna go ahead, and yours should have like a little seal on it, so if it doesn't, let them know so they can get that shit back. So I'm just gonna go ahead, I cleaned off the toothbrush, I'm gonna put the toothpaste on here. The toothpaste is black as well because it's the charcoal toothpaste. The Carbon Cocoa powder, it didn't have any kind of flavor. I thought it was gonna have like a spearmint flavor or something like that. It doesn't say spearmint on there, so it's not like it says spearmint on it like this one does, but it didn't have any type of flavor, taste, or anything at all. It literally tasted like nothing. Now for the toothpaste, I'm just gonna go ahead and brush my teeth. It says to brush your teeth for about 3 minutes as well. Right now it is 2:29, so I'm gonna go ahead and brush my teeth until 2:32. So it's changing colors from actually being black to being white.
Said you would love me, I tell him only partly. I only love my bed and my mama, I'm sorry. Betty Dub, I even got it tatted on me. 81, the dog when crashes to the party. Michael Thomas G.O.D, yeah, wait, yeah. I go hard on Southside G, yeah, wait. I make sure that nobody, yeah. Still, what's up? Bad things, there's a lot of bad things.
Okay guys, so I went ahead and I completed the 3 in 3 minutes. So a total of 6 minutes. I was brushing my teeth for 3 minutes with the Cocoa Carbon powder. Then I went ahead and brushed my teeth for 3 minutes with the Cocoa Carbon toothpaste. The Cocoa Carbon toothpaste did taste a little bit like pepperminty or spearminty. It did have that like that cool feeling you get when you like either brush your teeth or chew gum. It gives you that like cool feeling. So it did give me that. It was a little rough on my gums. My gums are kind of sensitive. I do use a hard bristle, like a firm bristle brush to brush my teeth. So I wasn't really like, I don't think it was the brush, because this seems like a medium, kind of like, it's not as firm as like one of those hard brushes that I usually use, and it's not soft. But I don't think that that would have affected my gums feeling like that. I just think it was the graininess from the Cocoa Carbon powder that was irritating my gums. I did end up having a little bit of bleeding right here in this tooth, which is just one tooth. It's not like it was like, it stopped, it was fine. I feel like really clean, and like my teeth feel really clean. I feel like they look really nice and bright. Yeah, my freaking gum is like hella bleeding. So I do feel like they're super bright right now. I'm not sure if it did much of a difference. I'll go ahead and insert like a little picture right here of a before and after. I am going to continue using this over the next couple of months until I finish it. Try to see like if I see any results, or just to kind of like upkeep from drinking the tea and coffee on a regular basis. As far as would I recommend this product to somebody else, I definitely would, because I do feel like it cleaned my teeth, and it does look a lot brighter here on camera. But I think it did a good job. I feel like my mouth is clean. I don't feel like any residue is left like in my gums or on my teeth. If you have veneers, or if you have like a bridge, or you have like any kind of fillings or anything going on with your mouth that's not natural, like even the gaps are natural, but if you have any gaps, they're definitely gonna get in between your gaps. So do floss. If you don't floss, you're definitely gonna need to floss. You should be flossing after you brush your teeth. I mean, if you eat meat too, you should definitely be flossing, because it be getting in there, boys and girls. So yeah, Carbon Coco, thank you for reaching out to me to do this review for you guys. I definitely do like your product and will be recommending it. It definitely surprised me. I don't know how I feel about charcoal, but I mean, if it's doing the job, they do recommend that you do not consume this at all. Even some of the kits come with a tongue scraper, so I definitely recommend that you do not consume this or swallow it by any means. Make sure you're rinsing out your mouth really good. But yeah, if you guys are looking to get your teeth a little bit whiter and you don't want to spend a lot of money on going to get your teeth whitened, if you have sensitive teeth like me and don't like those whitening strips because they hurt like hell, you'll definitely like this product, because my teeth are very sensitive to heat, to like cold drinks, stuff like that, like really harsh chemicals that are being used when whitening. So I definitely like to opt out of those, hence the reason why I take such good care of my teeth, like just brushing them, flossing, and mouthwash on a regular basis, a couple of times a day, just so they can stay like white and clean. I don't have to do that other stuff that I used to do when I was younger, and I hated that stuff when I was like in high school and middle school. Just putting that stuff on my teeth, it would just kill me, and then like days afterwards, my gums and my teeth would be so sensitive to everything around me. So I'm really liking this because my teeth don't feel any sensitivity. If for some reason I do have any kind of reaction or anything to this product, I will definitely list that down in the description box below, because I'm pretty sure by the time I get this video up to you guys, I will have had some kind of reaction if I'm going to get one. So yeah, I'm definitely going to continue to use this. Like I said, do keep an update. If you guys are not following me on Instagram, do follow me at I am Sasha Fierce 411. I'll keep you guys updated on there as well, letting you guys know in maybe a couple of weeks my before and after results. But like always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share it with anybody who might find it useful. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
With them bitches, I don't get it. You're a starlight. There's a lot of bad things that they wishing to me. Shouldn't have to deal with it. I'd never make you feel like that. 'Cause I love me enough for the both of us.